Okay, there's the red fox. Hi, dear. Yeah. There's the red fox. Yeah. Hello. How are you? Yeah, you was hard to see, huh? You're all the way here. Still all curled up because it's a damp, cold day. Yeah. There you go. Hi. Yeah. Time to look up, yeah. Hello. Oh my goodness. She's gonna make me stand right up. There you go, pretty. Hi. Look at that.
Good looking fox.
Yeah, very pretty. Yeah. You've been fed well, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There you go. Just like Fox and the Hound. Yeah, one of them.
Don't worry, no hounds here.
Yeah, I know. There's no hounds. That's
Except
true.
for us, we're hounding you.
Yeah, we're hounding them.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Are you kidding? The spot was nice and warm.
Oh,
Go back in your spot. Yeah.
Yeah, go lay back down.
Yeah. There you go.
Go in your den.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's going to nibble on some grass. There you go. Bye-bye.
Cute.